It's time for Play in the Park. Woohoo!
Okay, now we've read the book, Thelma and the Unicorn, we're going to make a little Thelma unicorn, aren't we? I made this one earlier, but wasn't watching, so we're going to have to learn how to make this one. What do we need?
So, we need a texture, a horn,
I cut that out of card.
and ears,
2 ears,
and a big nose,
a big nose,
glitter,
glitter.
and
Oh, do you know what I've forgotten again? The eyes. Do you want to talk about it while I go and look for eyes, or should we start again?
going on.
Oh, go and find the eyes.
We have a bowl in case the glitter gets everywhere, and we have a stapler and a glue stick and
A hole punch.
a hole punch.
That's great explained, Brooke. Okay, I have the eyes. How many eyes do we have?
1, 2.
Same as the snake that we made earlier. Should we put them on here?
No!
No? I think that looks good. Anyway, so we'll put our made one over here. First, Brookie, we might stick its nose on. Let's stick the nose on.
Mr. Nichols.
Glue first. Now, while you're doing that, I'll punch 5 holes in it.
I'm even older than that.
You're older. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got 5 holes. Now this is going to be where we put the main through. So the nose has to go at the bottom on the other side, doesn't it? That's great. Good job. Let that dry a bit before you draw on it. Okay, so we've got the nose and we've got the holes. Let's thread the mane now before we stick more bits on. So I'll give you 3 pieces to put through. I'll grab 3 pieces for the other side. We've got some really cool rainbow wool, haven't we? So you thread it through the hole and then tie it at the front. Just do one little crossover knot. So you guys would be surprised how few kids, even in upper primary, don't know how to tie a simple knot. So it's a great thing to teach your kids at home if you can. So we cross it over, don't we? Poke it through and pull. Can you do one?
So,
Yeah. We'll get 3 bits this side and 3 bits that side. Cross it over, poke it through the hole and pull. That's good, Brooke. Okay, 3 more for you. 3 more for me. How many have we done? We've got 2 more to do. That's an extra long one. I'll do this one and you can do that one. I think you're faster than me. Well done. You're very good at threading.
I might just say 2.
Yeah. So it can be a different number if it turns out to be easier. I'm just going to do 2 too. Cross it over and pull. Oh, well done, Brooke. You did that not all by yourself. That's okay. That'll still be fun. He can have a little bit of hair at the back. Okay, so we've got the mane. You could even do that longer, then you could plait your mane and stuff, couldn't you? If you wanted to. Next, we'll stick on the googly eyes. They're huge googly eyes. one googly eye. And 2 googly eyes. Now you can either glue or staple these on. We'll try gluing first because gluing is more kid friendly. Sometimes they need a little bit of extra help.
I can
You can do the other one. Stick it on the back.
Looks like a goblin now.
It does a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put some glue on the top of the horn. I'm not going to put it down the bottom because I'm going to hold that bit. I can help you with that in a minute.
Yes.
And I'll hold it over the bowl to catch all the glitter, and we'll sprinkle some glitter. There's that glittery unicorn horn. Now I'll put the glue down the bottom and stick it on. Is that going to stick, Brooke, or are we going to need the stapler?
Stapler.
Okay. I'll do the stapler for this one too. Oh, the book's fallen over.
Onto a unicorn.
Yeah, I'll hold it and you can staple. Can it reach? You might have to go a little bit sideways, like that. Make sure your fingers are out of the way. You don't want to staple your fingers to the plate. And then you can do the other one. Don't staple my fingers either.
Okay. Your fingers then.
Watch our fingers. Okay, that's pretty cool. What else do we need? We've got eyes, ears, a horn.
I think.
Oh, a little nose. You can do a mouth if you want to. You can make it. Oh, it's gone through. It would be great to use card for that, but I just have some paper laying around. That's okay. We could always stick another piece over the top too, if you want to change it.
Like this.
Oh, look, we've got another one, so we could fix it up later. But there's our 2 little unicorns now, so that's great. So you can run around and pretend you're Thelma the unicorn.
This can be Crystal and that can be Thelma.
Oh, that's good. Okay. Hope you all enjoyed our unicorn story and craft. We'll see you all later. Bye.
Bye.